I saw it with my own eyes. A bush, burning with fire, yet not consumed. And from within the flames, the voice of God called my name. I was no hero. I was a fugitive. A man running from Egypt, from my own past, and from myself. For 40 years I tended sheep in the wilderness, my staff my only companion, the desert my only witness. Forgotten by men, perhaps even forgotten by God. But little did I know, on an ordinary day, in an ordinary place, eternity would break into my life. The day began like any other. The sheep wandered, the sun burned hot, and I guided them toward Mount Horeb, the mountain of God. I thought it was just another path, another climb, but something drew me higher, as if the mountain itself whispered my name. And then, I saw it. A bush ablaze with fire. The flames leapt, bright as the sun. But the branches did not wither. The leaves did not burn away. It stood, alive within the fire. My heart pounded. Was this a mirage? A trick of the desert heat? I must go closer and see this strange sight.
Moses, Moses.
My very soul trembled. I answered with a voice barely my own. Here I am.
Do not come any closer. Remove your sandals, for the place where you stand is holy ground. I am the God of your father, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, the God of Jacob.
At those words, fear overwhelmed me. I hid my face. Who was I to look upon the God of eternity? My failures, my sins, the blood on my hands, all of it flashed before me. Yet here he was, calling me by name.
I have surely seen the misery of my people in Egypt. I have heard their cry. I know their suffering, and I have come down to deliver them.
My heart ached. I thought of my people, slaves in chains, groaning under the weight of Pharaoh's hand. Could it be that God himself would come to set them free?
Now go, I am sending you to Pharaoh to bring my people out of Egypt.
My chest tightened. Me? A shepherd? An exile? A murderer? How could I stand before Pharaoh? Who would listen to me? My lips faltered. My courage crumbled. Who am I, that I should go to Pharaoh and bring the Israelites out of Egypt?
I will be with you.
Those words struck like lightning. Not a command alone, but a promise. I would not go in my strength, but in his. Suppose I go, and they ask, what is his name? What shall I tell them?
I am who I am. Tell them, I am has sent me to you.
The ground shook, the flames roared. My knees buckled as eternity thundered before me. I am the God of all, without beginning, without end.
Tell the Israelites, the Lord, the God of your fathers, has sent me to you. This is my name forever.
In that moment, my fear wrestled with faith. I was still the shepherd, the exile, yet chosen. God had spoken. My life would never be the same. I left Horeb with trembling hands, but with a burning in my spirit no desert wind could quench. God had revealed himself, and he had chosen me to carry his light into the darkness. If God could call a broken man like me, he can call you too. He sees your pain, he hears your cries, and When he calls, his promise remains. I will be with you. What does this story stir in your heart? Comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. And if you want more biblical stories brought to life, subscribe and join me as we journey deeper into the Word.